Well, what do we have here?
Hello there.
What are you doing?
I am un-F-scripting this Ford Jeep.
Now, whose Jeep is this?
Oh, I believe this is Damon's Jeep.
And why are you working on it?
Well, because, I really don't know why I'm working on this. This is the first time I've ever worked on this Jeep, so I'm not sure why it is I got chosen for this, but nonetheless, I won the lottery, and here we are.
Now, the question is, do you know what you're doing?
Well, no.
So, do you think you should be working on it?
Probably not, but Damon wouldn't listen, so here we are.
Okay. Well, I can't say for sure, but I think he appreciates what you're doing.
Well, he may now, but when he tries to start it and it goes backwards, we'll see.
Okay. Well, we'll check in with you later then.
Okay.
Well, here's another angle of you trying to get the job done.
Yep.
What do you think? Another 10 minutes or so?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're halfway there. We got the old one out, and we're gonna ditch this old piece of junk and switch it out for a nice new one. That's made in USA.
Okay. Well, looks like I picked the right guy to do the job.